Sometimes a product launch doesn't begin with a teaser or a polished event. Sometimes it begins with one camera sitting on a store shelf a little too early. And that's exactly what appears to have happened with the Insta360 X6. A camera retailer in Bucharest, Romania reportedly sold a retail unit before the official launch, and the buyer later shared photos on Reddit. This isn't just another blurry packaging leak. The images show what appears to be the finished production camera, its retail box, and the accessories customers should actually receive. There is one catch though. The buyer says the camera can't really be used because the current Insta360 app doesn't recognize the X6. Honestly, that makes sense. App support usually arrives alongside the official release, so this feels less like a camera problem and more like proof that the hardware escaped before the software was ready. Current information suggests the Insta360 X6 embargo could lift on August 10th. If that's accurate, an official announcement between August 10th and August 14th looks very possible. It's still unconfirmed, but the launch doesn't feel distant anymore. It feels like we're counting days. The leaked package also shows what may come in the box. The Insta360 X6, a 114cm invisible selfie stick, a protective pouch, a USB-C cable, and a silicone lens cap. Another image reveals the official quick start guide, and it quietly confirms something outdoor creators will care about. The X6 is waterproof down to 20 meters, or 65 feet, without extra housing. For deeper shooting, the optional invisible dive case reportedly extends that limit to 60 meters, or 197 feet. The guide also shows USB-C charging, recording controls, power button functions, and swipe gestures for moving through shooting modes. None of that sounds dramatic, but seeing it in official-looking documentation makes the X6 feel far more real than an ordinary rumor. The retail packaging also matches box leaks from late July, adding credibility to those earlier reports. It highlights 8K 360-degree video, up to 140 minutes of recording in 8K, replaceable lenses 2.0, and pure video mode for improved low-light performance. But here's the thing, box claims only tell us so much. We still don't know the finer details, real-world image quality, heat management, battery behavior, or how meaningful those lens improvements will be in daily use. Until Insta360 officially announces it, this should still be treated as leaked information, rather than confirmed launch material. Still, when a customer has already walked out of a store with the finished camera, the mystery is almost over. The Insta360 X6 now feels less like an upcoming product and more like a product waiting for permission to exist. Would you upgrade for longer 8K recording and replaceable lenses, or keep using the camera you already have?